On the Panasonic Lumix S Series camera, you can change the photo styles. Photo styles are the way either the still picture or the video looks as far as color, black and white, more vivid, things like that. So there's a couple ways to do this. Let me show you. Okay, so first one, we're going to use the quick menu, the Q button here. Now, the top one up here are your photo styles, and it tells you right here. So once I'm here, I can use the wheels up here, the thumb wheel and the index wheel, to change my settings. So I don't know if you can see these on there, but they say vivid, natural, monochrome, things like that if we want to do black and white. Now, that's how you change the different settings. You can also customize the photo styles. So to do that, I push the menu set button. Now I can do that for either still pictures or video, but I'm going to do it in stills here. So I'm going to move over using the button here. Now I'm in the standard style. Let's say I want to customize this. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to vivid. Let's say I want to customize the vivid settings to my own liking. Now if I move down using the bottom button here, I can do things like the contrast, highlights. I can bring the highlights down. I can adjust my shadows. I can bring shadows up or even make them darker. Saturation. So the vivid mode basically adds saturation to your scene. Let's say I don't like how much it adds to it. I want to add a little less. So I can go, here's minus 0.5, and I'm seeing it reflected in the screen here. Okay, so let's say I like that. Let's say I wanted a little different color hue to it, okay? Just to customize it in my own sense. So now I can either hit the set button here, or I can set that so that now those are in there. So once you've put in your custom settings, you can set up a custom menu that you can go to every time. So to do that, I can either touch Set, Display, Save on the screen, or I can touch the display button here. Now, what this is going to take me to are the different settings, and there are 10 of these. I can set up 10 different custom styles. So I'm just going to put it in, let's put it in number 2 here. I'm going to go down to number 2. I'm going to push menu set, and it's going to say, do you want to override the one that's already in there with the one you have just set up? Yes, I do. So now that I've set up my custom setting, it's called My Photo Style 2, but I want to rename this to something that I'm more familiar with. So from here, I can either touch the display on the screen, the setting here, the load setting, or I can touch the display button here, and this now is going to let me edit the title. From here, I could go in and I could call this Mark's vivid settings, Mark's favorite settings. So this is how we set up and customize the photo styles on the Lumix S Series cameras.